Knock, knock. Who's there? Feedback. Feedback who? Feedback who? Feedback is just feedback, and all feedback is good. If you're somebody who's been wrapped up in this buzz of feedback, watch this video for 3 key tips on my feedback on feedback. I'm Maansi Gupta, your business growth coach and trainer, and you're watching me give feedback on feedback. And here it is. Tip number 1. Who are you taking feedback from, seeking feedback from? Be honest and tell the truth. More often than not, it will be your senior, people in authority, your clients, people with influence of power. But what about your teams, your vendors, your suppliers, juniors, peers, colleagues? Why are you missing them out? When taking feedback, go around the circle. Feedback is a circle. And when you go around, you will find true gems of gold, which will be hidden there. Don't miss out. Go around that circle. Tip number 2. Oh my God, you just had a presentation, speech, address, whatever, and somebody came up to you and said, today you didn't cut it. It was a little long, too boring. You were too soft. Actually, energy was a little low. Maybe it wasn't really, making too much sense. Remember, don't let the spider bite. There'll always be a spider in the room. Ask yourself, the message that you had, was it tailored for him or her? Is that what is your target audience? Did you want it to make sense to them? Because very often we take that feedback, rechange our message, and do all of that when it's not even your audience. Think, evaluate before acting and letting that spider bite. And third, tip number 3. Wow, awesome, fantastic, fabulous. Such a rock star. You always are absolutely amazing. Don't fall for the rose. Don't take feedback from your loyalists, fans, followers, people who love you. Sometimes when you're not good enough, they will not come and tell you that this wasn't good enough. Evaluate who you're getting feedback from before taking action on the message and whatever it is that you're sharing and wanting to share forward. So 3 things: go around the circle, don't let the spider fight, and don't fall for the rose. Thank you for watching. This is Maansi Gupta, your business growth coach and trainer. Do like and subscribe to this channel because I'll keep coming back on Tuesdays at 2 with many more such business tips and the colors of my stories, my life lessons, and how I take them into business. Thank you very much and see you on Tuesday at